Sumida River Firework Festival. In July in Japan, the season for fireworks. Every year in late July, the sky above Tokyo Sakura Kumagata dazzled the amazing firework, known as Sumidagawa Harabi-Teiki. The Sumida River Firework Festival lasted just one night. The fireworks show take place somewhere in Japan every weekend in July and August. Yet on the last Saturday in July, focus is on Old Town in Tokyo. Around 1 million people attend the Sumida River Firework Festival, nearly 285 years old. This is one of the festivals. This is one of the well-known festivals in Tokyo. The original River Festival became an annual event beginning in 1733. It provided the regular people a chance to enjoy fireworks on the long summer night. The festival later was stopped temporarily, but resumed in 1978 under its new name, Sumidagawa Hanabi Haki. Today, due to the enormous crowd, the fireworks set off from two different river sites. About 20,000 fireworks on launch, some going 600 meters into the sky. Each July festival grows enjoy spectator fireworks on a summer night, just like their ancestors did so long ago.
好。